Hey.
None of that.
Oh, my. You may have some more juice after you eat some more carrots.
There's Croaker.
Open it. We clearly don't want carrots, but if we bring out the juice, everything's all there.
Juice.
Everything's bad with juice. You're a turd. Yes, you are.
Slurpy, slurp. Thanks, Mom. More carrots, yay. What are those crazy noises? Come on.
Carrots!
What the heck?
Carrots!
I shall defeat you.
Carrots!
Yummy, yummy. Mmm.
Yummy!
You're crazy. You're a crazy baby.
You're okay. You just don't like it.
It's horrible.
Carrots. Carrots.
Yummy, yummy.
Juice. Do you see how much of a turd you are?
You want that juice, don't you?
See, when the juice comes out, I'm not coughing or spitting or keeping my mouth closed.
You silly baby.
But once the juice goes away, and the carrots come back. Carrots!
The heck is
Carrots.
that? Carrots, yummy. Carrots. I'm trying to get a...
You are not choking on carrots. Come on.
Carrots, yummy.
Come on. I'm going to sneak some in there. Oh.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so terrible. But when the juice comes out.
Oh, juice.
Oh,